How to fix Paytm device environment not correct error. If you are seeing this error message on your Paytm app, then you need to watch this video. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So right here on your device, the first step you need to take in order to fix this error message is to go to your phone settings like this. So right here on your phone settings, the next step you need to take is to scroll to the very bottom. Now, if you are seeing these developer options on yours, you need to turn it off. This developer option might actually cause the app to be showing you that error message because it actually detected that the developer option is turned on your device. So you need to turn the developer option off in order to make sure that this issue is going to be fixed. So go ahead and click on the developer option like this. This screen is actually going to turn black because this involves security measures. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on turn off at the top of your screen. Switching it off is actually what you're going to see at the top of your screen. Once you do that, the developer option is actually going to be turned off. So at the very bottom here on your settings, you won't be able to see the developer option right here. That is the first step you need to take. So the next step you need to take as well, right here on your phone settings, is to scroll gently and click on apps. You can see the apps option right here. Once you do that, click on the search button at the top right corner, then go ahead and search for the Paytm app. So this is the Paytm app. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see for stop. But before that, go ahead and click on storage like this and click on clear cache. Once you clear the cache of the app, this is actually going to fix it if it is a bug issue. So you can simply go back like this and click on for stop and for stop the app if the app is running on your device. This is actually going to stop the app from running on your device. And now you can simply go back to the app like this. So you can go ahead and search for the Paytm app on your device and go into the app once again. But before that, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you are using the latest version of this app. Once you update it, if yours says open like this, you are good to go. But if yours says update, you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now, if you are seeing this item is not available on Play Store, it actually means that the Paytm app is not available in your region. So in order for you to fix it, you need to reside in a country where it's actually available, or use the one that is available on your country, just as mine, like this. So you can go ahead and click on open and open the app, and it is actually going to fix that error message which is showing Paytm device environment is not correct error. So this is how simple it is for you to fix this issue on your Paytm app. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.